Hello students, so this is Professor here and I'm back with your next video class. And as I had given you the homeworks in the last class, and I came to know that all the students, almost all students are having problem with question number 8b. So I'm here to solve that also, and we will do some other sums as well. Okay, so some of the, of course I should say, some of the students have done the sum, I mean this sum, okay, but maybe somewhere their writing part is wrong or something else. Okay, so we will do this one first. So let us start. The question number B was 2 into 2 whole to the power x equals to 2 to the power 8, isn't it? So now here what we are going to do is we are going to find the value of x. We are asked to find the value of x, right? So to find the value of x, you can see the x is in the power, isn't it? So since it is in the power, we will only be able to find the value of x if we will make the bases of the both sides same. Okay, so now here the base is 2 to the power 8, isn't it? So now what we can do, we have to make the base of left hand side also as 2. So means it is already in 2, we are not going to touch it. We are not going to write 2 into 2 4. Okay, so instead we are to keep the same base, what we are going to write is 2 into 2, I can write it as 2 square, right? So this is how I can write. So whole to the power x equals to 2 to the power 8. So now what will happen, this is in the form a to the power m whole to the power n, isn't it? So in such case, by laws of exponent, what we used to do, we used to multiply the powers, the base remaining the same. So 2 to the power 2 into x, that is 2x equals to 2 to the power 8. Now see, now the bases are same. Okay, now if the bases are same and these numbers are equal, then the power has to be same, means the power should be equal. That means this, and please don't cancel this 2 and 2. Okay, we are not cancelling. What we are doing is we are equating the powers. Okay, so 2x equals to 8. We are not cancelling 2. Okay, we are equating the powers, so please don't cancel it. Okay, so 2x equals to 8 means x equals to 8 by 2, isn't it? So x equals to 4. So this is your answer for question number 8b. Those who had problem with this sum, please look at this and do it. Okay, so we are moving to the next exercise, that is exercise 2.1, and question number 1, a and b, I think you can do, as we have already done the similar sums in the previous exercise. Okay, so question number 1, a and b, you will do it. I am doing number c, and in question number c, it is 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 into 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3, isn't it? So you can see here the bases are same, that is 1 by 3 1 by 3, and we are multiplying, isn't it? So in this case what will happen, the base will remain same and the power will be added, right? So minus 2 plus minus 3, we are adding the powers. So minus 2 plus minus 3. So that means what we have to do, now we have to open the bracket, right? So this one is minus 2 plus into minus, minus 3. So how much will you get? 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 minus 3, means minus into minus plus, means we have to add. 3 plus 2, 5. So what will be the sign in front of 5? The sign of the greater number, means which one is greater, 2 or 3? 3. So in front of 3 it is minus, so it will be minus. So 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 5. So now let me make this power positive. So how will I make? So to make this power positive, I have to write its reciprocal, isn't it? So it is 3 by 1 whole to the power 5. Okay, so 3 by 1 means 3 simply, isn't it? So 3 to the power 5. So this is how you will do this sum. Okay, so the final answer is 3 to the power 5. Now let's move to the next number, that is question number 2a. Okay, and the question number 2 is simplify and write the answer with positive exponents. You cannot write the power in negative. Okay, you have to write in positive exponents. Okay, so in question number 2, number a, it is 6 to the power minus 8 divided by 6 to the power minus 3. So now see, the bases are same, isn't it? So now if the bases are same and we are dividing, so what will happen? If the bases are same and we are dividing, then the base will remain same and the power will be subtracted, isn't it? And the power will be subtracted in the sense the first one will be written at first and the later one will be written at the second, isn't it? So now what will happen? You have to open the bracket, isn't it? So now if you open the bracket, so what will you get? It will be minus 8 only. Minus into minus plus, right? Plus 3. Okay, so it is minus 8 plus 3, that is 6 to the power minus into plus minus. Okay, so means you have to subtract, so 8 minus 3 is 5 and the sign will be of the greater number. So the greater number is out of 3 and 8 is 8 and in front of 8 it is minus, so here it will be minus. So 6 to the power minus 5. But this is not your answer. Why? Because in the question it is given the simplify and write the answer with positive exponents, but here it is in negative. So how will you make it positive? By writing the reciprocal of the base. Okay, that means what? 1 by 6 to the power 5. So this is your answer, because when this go to the denominator, the power changes the sign. Okay, so this is how you will do. Similarly, if I do question number B, m to the power 6 divided by m to the power 7. Okay, so this one is very easy. So now what I can do is I can take this to the denominator. See, because the power in the denominator is greater, otherwise I could have taken this to the numerator, but here the power is greater, that is why I am taking this numerator to the denominator. So here it will be m to the power 7. Now this will go down as m to the power minus 6, because when we take the variable in the numerator to the denominator, then what will happen? Its power will change its sign. It was plus 6, it will give minus 6. So 1 by, now in the denominator, okay, so m to the power 7 into m to the power minus 6. So a to the power m into b to the power n equals how much? A to the power n equals how much? We are multiplying with same base, so power will be added. So 7 plus minus 6. So this will be how much? 1 by m to the power 7 plus into minus minus, so minus 6. So it is how much? 1 by m to the power 7 minus 6, 1. That is m to the power 1 means simply m. So this is how you will do. Okay, so question number C is your homework. Understood? Now the next question, that is question number 3. There are 4 sums A, B, C and D. I want you to do this as your homework. Okay, question number 3, A, B, C and D are your homeworks, using the concept that anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. If you use this concept, all the sums are easily solvable. Okay, so this is how you will do. So next one is question number 4. Okay, and in question number 4 it is simplify, and the question number A is 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3. So how will you do this? So in this case you can see the bases are different, isn't it? The bases are different, but the powers are same. Okay, so now if the powers are same and the bases are different, what will happen? The power will remain the same, only the bases will be multiplied, isn't it? According to which law of exponent? A to the power m into b to the power m equals to ab whole to the power m, right? So what will happen? The bases will be multiplied. So 2 into 5 whole to the power minus 3 means 2 5s are 10 to the power minus 3, isn't it? So 10 to the power minus 3. So can I write it as a positive power? Means the power here is negative. So let me make it positive. How? By taking it to the denominator. So I can write it as 10 to the power 3. So this is your answer, right? Similarly, in question number B, question is 11 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Here also the bases are different, but the powers are same. So how will you write? Now you will again use the same law of exponent, that is a to the power m into b to the power m equals to ab whole to the power m. So in this case what will happen? The power will remain same, but the base will be multiplied. Minus 5 means 11 3s are 33 to the power minus 5. So again here also I will write it as a positive power, means I will take it to the denominator. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so in similar fashion I think you can do question number C, 4C. Okay, so please do all your homeworks. Okay, so we will meet again in the next video class. Till then, stay safe and please do your homework.